Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can update your Lumion file. If you look at this file now, the name of this file is Hotel 43D2, but the file I'm currently working on, the name is different. The name is just Hotel. You can see the name is just Hotel. So since they have different name now and I want to update it, what I would do is, in this case, what I would do is I will first of all convert it to Colorder file. I'll convert it to Colorder file, export, then let it bear the same name is bearing in Revit. Don't change the name and click save. You see the step I followed. Click save. Okay, now it is saved. So I'm going to go to my Lumion. Okay, while you are inside Lumion like this, you are going to click on imported model and select this arrow and the node should appear. You can see the node here. So you select the node and you can see the name here. So if I want to update it, you will, while the node is selected, you are going to see this arrow. You see this icon. You are going to click on Alt key and this icon at the same time. Now it will take you to a folder. Select where you have saved your Colorder file before and select that particular file and click open. What that will do now is it's going to replace the original file here with the file you have just selected. And from that moment, you can now start using your Lumion Live Sync. All right. Ooh. Okay. So you can see we have double file now, but it is not supposed to be double file. But since it's double file, it's not a problem. All I need to do is to delete one. You can see I have a two file here, so I am going to delete one. If you see, this one is the name of this one is this is the one I have just uploaded, which is a Colorder file. You can see the name. The name is Hotel, and this one is the name is Hotel 43D2, and that is the one I don't want. So I'm going to delete this one that I don't want. I'm going to delete this one, and that is gone. Then select this particular one and let's see the name. You can see the name is just Hotel. Forget about the name you are seeing here. The most important thing is what you have here. Okay, so if for instance I change anything in Revit now, if I change something in Revit now, let's say I delete this gate and I on my Lumion Live Sync. Let's see whether it's going to update in Lumion. If I go to Lumion now, it should update. You can see it has updated. That thing I have deleted is already deleted in Lumion. So from now henceforth, I can now use my Lumion Live Sync. So that is how you can update your Lumion file if they are bearing different names. And I hope this video helps you. If it does, don't forget to give me a video testimonial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.